Potentially severe storms capable of producing wind gusts of more than 75 miles per hour started moving into the Chicago area late Monday morning, sparking weather alerts for a number of counties as storms rolled across northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. The intensifying storms brought threats of potentially destructive winds, damaging hail, lightning, heavy downpours and possibly even a brief tornado. Severe thunderstorm warnings were issued across the area as the storms traveled from west to east across the metro area and into northwest Indiana. A severe thunderstorm warning remained in effect in southeastern Will and northeastern Kankakee counties in Illinois, along with Newton, Porter, Lake and Jasper counties in northwest Indiana were under a thunderstorm warning until 2 p.m. CT. With that system, forecasters highlighted a threat of tornado-like winds. This is a very dangerous storm with tornado-like wind speeds moving into Peotone, Beecher, Grand Park, and northwestern Indiana. Winds will uproot trees and damage structures. Take cover if you are in this warning. The National Weather Service tweeted at the time. Porter, Lake and Jasper counties in Indiana were extended until 2:30 p.m. CT. The entire Chicago area was under a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 p.m. CT, but the watch was canceled for nearly all counties except for Newton and Jasper counties in northwest Indiana. Meanwhile, LaPorte County in northwest Indiana is under a watch until 7 p.m. CT. LocalThe system will likely be fast-moving, with much of the area seeing storms move out before 6 p.m. Potentially severe storms capable of producing wind gusts of more than 75 miles per hour started moving into the Chicago area late Monday morning, sparking weather alerts for a number of counties.